guys may know, I have been riding my mini electric dirt bike for a while. Well, guess what just arrived? Electric dirt bike and the GT73 Pro for my dad. This one's mine, this one's my dad's. We're gonna start building him and I'm gonna ride him tomorrow with you guys. There goes us opening. Let's see it. My dad's opening it up for me, guys. My dad's basically gonna build like half of this for me. I'll just ride it, you know? This is his one, and I'll do these for him while he's building mine. So I'll do a little bit of help. They really don't show the behind the scenes of these videos, do they? See? I'll see you guys once it's open. Here we go. First look. I can see it in here. Oh! I touched it! Ah! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, the front of it. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh. See you guys. I'm gonna show you guys now, and then I'm gonna skip to when it's built. Alright guys, the bike is fully built, and we're just gonna, it's not fully built, it's just taking it out now. I'm gonna assemble it, I'm gonna do some cool transitions, and then the bike is gonna be fully built, and we're gonna ride it tomorrow. Bang! It's all built. It goes 50 miles an hour at the max speed. I'm gonna be going 15 tomorrow, and once I get used to it, I'll go second. And I'm not gonna go the max speed until I'm like a lot older. So I'm gonna peel the stickers off and stuff now. So could you video me doing that? Thank you. My dad is there. And let's start off with the back.
Should I make a suggestion? Shall I get on with my bike and you can peel the stickers off while I do that so we're not waiting?
Okay. Alright. Guys, I'm gonna peel the stickers off and then I'll see you guys tomorrow and we'll ride it. My dad is in the background building his bike, and I'm chilling on mine, guys. Can't wait to ride this tomorrow. The throttle's so snappy, you know?
Can you do me a favour? I'm going to need the scissors. Can you get a nice pair of heavy-duty scissors for me, please?
Okay, one second. And we're off, guys. My dad's just riding my bike. Dad, come on, get off now, okay?
The torque is crazy on this.
Huh?
The torque is crazy.
I know. I'm getting on my gloves, guys.
Fire when you press it down.
It's good, right?
Wait, punch you in mine.
Alright, guys. Let me just get my gloves on really quick. My dad was just trying out mine, which is, alright, guys, you guys can see it, which is the most beautiful sight of bikes in my economy. And let me just get this final glove on. My bike's in park mode. So we got the key ignition on. And we got the headlight on. And then just pull my glove on. That should be good. Alright. Hit the brake to stop the ignition. And yeah. Oh my dad, you were riding it in turbo. You were riding in turbo.
Oh, okay. That'll do
it. My dad just rode in turbo. I am going 27 miles an hour, but I'm gonna stick to 22. How did turbo feel? Was it fun? Gonna look both ways. We got the headlight on. We're gonna go left. My dad is in turbo, guys. Holy guacamole. That is insane. Okay, he was back. Did he go full throttle? I'm definitely not going turbo, guys. Gonna follow my dad. He's gonna lead the way. I got my sister riding my dad's old bike. So that's pretty fun. And then got me riding my new bike, my dad riding his, and I'm standing up right now, guys. We just hit 27. I shouldn't have been going that fast. Uh-oh. Ah, my sister. She's stuck in the dust, guys. I've gone 14 miles on this thing. It's not full at battery because I rode this before and it was freezing and I felt like I was gonna die. So I didn't add that part into the video. That was 2 days ago.
Around the lake?
No, that's in the gravel. I don't want to get my bike dirty again. Should we go to Golf Web where we were driving earlier? I'm leading the way, guys. Full speed. Oh my, I'm jumping. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh, 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 oh. Guys, my gloves are so grippy that they keep like, look, guys. Isn't that insane? Woo! So we are currently at 3 bars. You start at 5. Oh wait, that was a stop sign? Uh-oh. Kind of broke the law. Little jailbreak there. Yeah, that wasn't very good. I will stop at the stop sign next time. Embarrassing moment right there, but you know, those happen. I mean, like when I tried to film for the first time, the deleted footage, I just fell on my bike, fell straight on top of me. And I was like stuck, just laughing there, because you know, it's funny, because like this bike is like taller than me, like I'm not even lying. And if you check it on the ground and I lay down, it will be a teeny, it's probably like around the same size. But like, that's just insane. Oh my chin is 0 degrees right now. So freaking cold. It's snowing, bro. What the heck? It's freaking snowing. It's spring break right now, guys. And it's snowing. How do those add up? How does spring break and frickin' snow, which is still here, add up? That's just, I'm not even gonna ask, guys. Alright, let's go max speed on standard. Let's go max speed on eco. Check that out. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, full throttle. 15 miles an hour on eco. And then standard, I'm not allowed to go turbo. I did a little twerk on turbo, and that felt way too fast. I didn't mean to, okay? I didn't mean to. Alright, let's send it. Standard, 3, 2, 1, go. Full throw. Oh my tire lifted up a bit, guys. Let's go. 24, 25, 26, 27. I think we just hit 27 or 26 miles per hour. We're just testing out that full speed really quick. Oh no. Oh, there we go. I got my bar back. Guys, my bike is so low, I should have charged it. I should have charged it. I'll charge it when I get home. So we're at 2% right now. I'm at 2.
Okay, let's go back.
Alright. I'm gonna head back because it's getting dark, guys, and my bike's at 2. And it's also really cold. So, should I lead the way? Huh? What did you say? Okay. We're just gonna get back now, guys, without my bike dying. This is the 9th time I've rode my bike. And I was not meant to go standard after like a month of riding. And in my second day, I'm now going full speed on standard. But I only do that sometimes, not on the road or anything. I do it like in like a long bit when nobody is there. I double check. But most of the time I go 22, 23, or 24 miles per hour, which is a decent speed for, like, you know, my age. So we're gonna go down here, and my dad and sister are both behind me. So I'm gonna click. Oh, I cannot reach that. Click the button, please. Yeah. Okay. No. We're just gonna follow Dad. So when I see a stop sign, guys, I will stop. I'm low on battery, so it's gonna take long to go to. Yeah, I'm only going. Oh, I hit 27. I went down in battery percentage. Like, is that it? I need to ask a question. Is that a stop sign? No, okay. Because it had the same shape as a stop sign. And I don't really understand road rules. Like, if you guys know me, I don't really understand road rules. Yet again, I'm riding on the road. So that is a stop sign. So now we just go to wait for it to say go. Yeah, so let's wait for it to say go. Right. It's taking quite a while. You know what? I'm just leaving it, bro. Yeah, guys, so was I meant to go just then? Because it never turned go, so like, I don't know. Things are going weird around here at night. Come on. I just told my sister to come on. So there we go. So that's not a stop sign. What even is it? I don't even know what that is. Oh well. I don't want to waste my time. Another stop sign. Dad, it doesn't say go. You shouldn't be going. Yeah, there we go. Doesn't say go yet, so still do. What? Okay, they're just breaking the rule. Okay, yeah, no, so am I. Like, I'm not waiting for it to say go, guys. Screw the rule. Coming in on your left side. we're at the last battery percentage, so go back. I'm at 34 right now, 35 on one battery percentage. So let's get back. And also my fingers are freezing, so yeah. But that was a very good video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna make more videos with my new bike soon. And without anything to say left, I'm gonna end the video here. So stay tuned!